Oh no.
Did you ever play
Hey
Beer?
guys, welcome to
Alright.
Gardaphone. It's Inky's
Hello.
birthday.
Hi,
We'll wish her happy
Jerm.
birthday in the comments, even though it's gonna be 2 weeks too late. Let's still do it anyway. Haha. Like, comment, subscribe.
No, we literally just started the first
Yeah,
round.
it's fine.
Yeah.
Is there a way to leave, or do we just have to like refresh and do a new lobby?
I think we just did the reflat.
Okay,
We'd have
yeah,
to
we'll
make a
just-
new lobby.
Yeah, okay, I'll just do it real quick.
Oh man! I just made a cute Inky birthday cake.
Damn it!
Oh, you
and
got
I had a really
mine.
good thing.
Hey,
Well,
I
yes,
just looked at
it is-
Twitter
it
and
is
Shane
Jerm's
Dawson
fault.
is trending. I'm scared. Why is that happening?
Oh fuck!
The new code's up. Let's join this quick because Car can only stay for an hour. I want to make sure we get a game in properly.
Okay, yeah, I got you. I'm Goose.
I'm the late one. Hee hee.
Hey, listen, it's better.
No,
It's
Germ,
better late
dude.
than
It's
never.
always Germ's fault.
Always
Okay, I'm
your
here.
fault, remember.
Who's Otter
you
Baby?
I like. That's me.
Oh, the one named Otter Baby. Got it.
Yeah.
What's the other baby?
It's always my fault
Surprisingly,
unless it's
The
me
one named Otter
handling
Baby
a
is the Otter
beaver
Baby.
colony.
I do
Oh,
crash it
shit.
almost
Oh,
every day.
wait,
Dude, Germ.
I'm gonna do my same one.
Cara,
Yeah, me too.
Cara posted a TikTok where she like straight up murdered like 8 people in Among Us. And I
In one
commented
go?
on it with like, how could Germ kill all these people? And it got so many more likes than it should have. But yeah, Germ carried my beaver colony earlier, Cara. He planted so many trees. He was a good little beaver.
Nice.
Oh my
Good
god.
beaver.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, I gotta adjust this real
I
quick.
don't even know what
Lift.
this is.
Well, it depends on. I don't know what I was going for on
Oh,
that.
I forgot I don't know how to
There we go.
draw.
Thanks for your words, Pion.
You're welcome. Whoops! I hit my keyboard. So he's got a butt crack on his head.
That's fine. I think that's accurate. I don't know what you're drawing, but it's fine.
This is why I dropped out as an art major. Oh, this is why I went into marketing.
Inky, how old are you?
Ask a woman that.
I
Wow.
absolutely will.
Oh,
I'm 27.
Love that. It's my favorite number.
Thank you.
Dude, that's like a Hollywood 54.
Wow.
True.
Hollywood 54. What's a Hollywood 54? Explain it.
In
27.
Hollywood, you're old when you're in your late 20s.
Shit, dude. Then I'm dead. 'Cause I'm mid-20s. Let's go. I don't want to be. I don't want to turn older. But then again, it would give me an
Just gotta
excuse.
stop it at whatever age you are now.
I
Simple.
don't want to wait.
I thought I had to go fast with this drawing, but I don't think I did.
Over.
Yeah, just stop aging.
Yeah, just stop aging, duh.
My rule has always been as soon as you're over 21, you're forever 21.
It's true.
It's true.
No!
How old are you?
Beavers look
21.
like.
Shit,
Having
this
a
just looks
terrible
inconspicuous.
time.
What do beavers look like?
Just throw some buck teeth on it and call it a day.
Okay,
Brown
wait.
blobs with the buck teeth.
Oh my god, that's literally what I did. A brown blob with buck teeth. That's basically what mine looks like.
Ah, okay, I tried.
Oh!
Oh!
These are some exquisite
this?
lips, whoever this is.
What they say about me. I'm
Nice.
sorry.
I don't know what I was looking at.
The fuck's a beaver?
What
look
am
like?
I? What?
Hold up, gotta look up what beavers look like.
I'm so confused.
What the fuck is that?
You gotta look up a cartoon beaver. Yeah, because real life beavers look ugly. They do.
Comparatively.
Compared to cartoon beavers, yes.
No way.
Eh.
I messed up. I messed up.
Looks like Scooby-Doo, but wrong.
Well. Shit.
They got big old chompers.
Oh, is this PG, by the way? Just want to make sure.
I don't think
I'm
it
not actually
matters.
being
A little bit
inconsiderate.
late to ask for that.
Yeah. It's true.
Listen,
And
better to
then,
ask whatever that saying is.
better late than never.
Yeah, that's the one.
Better
don't
to ask
think- I
for
don't
think
easier
it's
to ask for
computer.
forgiveness than it is to ask for permission.
Yeah, that
Right.
one.
Yeah,
I mean,
actually.
that one also worked. Oh god. Why is he shaped?
Why is he shaped?
So I posted a picture of one of my dogs, and one of the comments was, "He certainly is a shape." And I was just like, hey.
I mean, they're not.
That's
they're not
funny.
wrong.
Your dog is a shape. That's so. He's cute shape. He's friend shaped.
It's true.
Just like the
Sometimes
centipede or
he bites me,
millipede that I
but
saw.
It's fine.
Oh. Ah, shit.
Oh shit.
I forgot how bad I am at Nordic phone.
Crap. Same.
I spent too long on the beaver. I fucked up.
Oof.
Well,
Same.
it's a good thing this is a warm up, right?
Wait, I should have taught myself as a goose. No!
I'm so sorry.
Too late now.
I tried my best.
What, the, what in the goddamn did I?
What is this?
Hey, I've received something, and
What
I
happened to
don't
this
know what to
cake?
caption it.
I'm just assuming this is Pyonk in human form.
What did they do to the corner of this cake?
Oh no! Damn it! I don't have time to edit. Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
shit.
Okay, I forgot. I didn't get to finish typing.
Okay.
It's
What the
sad. I'm
heck is
scared to
this?
write this.
What?
Birthday cake
What
with
is
Florida?
this?
What's the
I'm
FL?
confused.
I guess we'll find out.
Okay, I gotta go. I'm gonna do a nicer drawing. Shit, I already messed up.
That's my life.
Good job.
That's not what a bunny looks like.
We're trying to make this a very cartoony beaver.
See, it's at this moment I
You,
really wish I had a drawing tablet instead of just using my mouse.
I said mouth for a second, and I was like, why are you using your mouth?
Yes, I am using my mouth to draw.
You're not.
Oh, it's not just me?
Yeah, you mean you don't use your mouth to draw?
What's a bunny look like?
Big teeth.
True.
Gray
Big teeth.
or white with big teeth and big ears.
He's a murderer. Bunny crime.
I forgot what these look like.
Good luck captioning. I don't even know what I'm drawing. Like, good luck with this one, guy.
Oh no.
I spent too much
felt that.
time on the main part of this, and
I don't know if mine comes across, but I tried.
yeah, I don't know how to make mine come across correctly.
I
So-
read this so wrong, but it's too late.
Oh no.
Maybe I can save it.
Oh no, I know,
Oh
I know.
shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Ocean Man. Take me by the hand.
Leave me to
Oh god, I gotta fill in all these gaps.
If anybody asks, it's the state of Florida because that's what the caption says.
Understandable. Have a nice day.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Florida even real?
Oh boy.
Oh god, I wish I had a tablet. What the hell is this?
What is happening here?
What's the red thing?
Probably a strawberry.
I think you got mine, and you'll understand when I get my caption. I don't know.
What is this? Is it ketchup?
It might be.
You'll understand.
It's up for interpretation, Kara.
I fucking love this. Whoever did this, like,
Oh dear.
No.
Oh dear.
I don't
Wait.
understand this.
Everyone
Kara.
quiet.
What's up?
I went to the doctor
Yeah?
and they said I need to stop.
Is this a joke?
They said to me, you need to stop eating. Hang on, I can't do this while driving.
happening?
I can't
Where
do
is
this
this
while driving at the same
going?
time.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll do it after. I can't do this while driving. I cannot walk and talk. I'm learning this in
It's
this
a
moment.
it's a joke, isn't it?
It's a joke. Yeah, I can't. I literally can't. This is too difficult. Beavers are hard to draw.
Yeah, it's true. They are very hard.
The
Who
draw.
decided we're drawing beavers?
Yeah, I wonder.
I blame that game, dude.
He has little beaver arms.
what? I don't understand this one. Okay.
I'm so bad.
Okay, wait. Like. But then it goes. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh,
That sounds like drawing's going great for you.
It's something. I don't know if great is the word.
Great is a word.
It is a word. Wait.
This
So
looks
we-
like
अभी क्या होगा 5500 का 12% कैंसिल ठीक 12 पंजे 60 12 पंजे 60 660 रुपए ठीक है अब लिखेंगे अमाउंट रिमेनिंग अमाउंट रिमेन्ड अब इंग्लिश और हिंदी अपने आप लिख लेना ठीक है अब 5500 रह गया था 500 रुपए किश्त वो एक बार और दे देगा ठीक है अब कितना रह जाएगा 5000 एक बार और ले लेते हैं इंटरेस्ट फॉर थर्ड ईयर गॉट इट तो 5000 का 12% है ना यानी कि 600 लिखना चाहो रुपीस लिख भी सकते हो गया 600 तो अब जो सीरीज रेडी हुई ना तो लिखेंगे टोटल इंटरेस्ट टोटल इंटरेस्ट हम देखते हैं ठीक तो पहले साल बेटा कितना था 720 रुपए ठीक दूसरे साल उसने कितना पे किया 660 तीसरे साल उसने पे किया 600 गॉट इट और ऐसा वो कितने साल तक करेगा 12 इयर्स तक आपने देखा ना 12 किश्तें बनी हैं उसकी 12 साल तक वो देता रहेगा ठीक है अब हम S12 निकाल लेते हैं कितना हो गया 12/2 ओ माय गॉड पहले ए और आर तो ए और डी तो निकालो ए कितना है बच्चों 720 है ना और डी कितना डी होगा -60 देखो ना 660 में से आप 720 माइनस करोगे तो -60 है ना तो ये हो गया 12/2 इसके बाद आप लिखेंगे 2a दैट मीन्स 2 इंटू 720 प्लस 11 12 माइनस 1 11 है ना और d कितना -60 तो ये हो गया 6 और ये हो गया 1440 माइनस 660, गॉट इट। 6 इंटू 0 8 7। अब यहाँ पर कितना होगा? 6 8 ज़ा 48, 42 4680। इतना तो बेटा इंटरेस्ट उसने दे दिया उठा के 4680 रुपए, इतना तो वो ब्याज दे चुका है। ठीक है, तो अब उसको ट्रैक्टर कितने का पड़ा? टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रैक्टर विल बी कितनी? 12,000 का पड़ता अगर वो कैश दे देता, लेकिन उसने 6,000 कैश दिया, बाकी उसने कहा मैं किश्तों में दूंगा, तो उसको 4,680 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा देने पड़ गए। तो अब उसको जो ट्रैक्टर है ना बेटा, वो पड़ रहा है 16,680 रुपये का। गॉट इट? चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 28। ये क्वेश्चन पिछले क्वेश्चन के बिल्कुल एक जैसा है, इसलिए बच्चों मैंने इसको सॉल्व कर दिया आपके लिए, है ना, टू सेव द टाइम। शमशाद अली 22,000 रुपये में एक स्कूटर खरीदता है। वह 4,000 रुपये नगद देता है तथा शेष राशि को 1,000 रुपये वार्षिक किश्त के अतिरिक्त उस धन पर जिसका भुगतान न किया गया हो 10% वार्षिक ब्याज भी देता है। उसे स्कूटर के लिए कुल कितनी धनराशि चुकानी पड़ेगी? Shamshad Ali buys a scooter for rupees 22,000. He pays rupees 4,000 cash and agrees to pay the balance in annual installments of rupees 1,000 per plus 10% interest on the unpaid amount. Okay, how much will the scooter cost him? सिमिलर है ना एकदम। तो मैंने बच्चों आपका टाइम सेव करने के लिए और अपना भी ये मैंने इसको सॉल्व कर दिया। मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ। देखो यहाँ मैंने दोनों वर्जन्स में लिख दिया। कॉस्ट ऑफ स्कूटर रुपीज़ 22,000, स्कूटर की कीमत, कैश पेमेंट 4,000 नगद भुगतान, बैलेंस यानी बकाया राशि, ठीक 22,000 में से 4,000 कम कर दो 18,000। वन इंस्टॉलमेंट कितने की पड़ रही है? 1,000 प्लस 10% ऑफ बैलेंस, 10% बकाया राशि का। टोटल इंस्टॉलमेंट कितने हो गए? 18,000 उसको देने थे, है ना, और 1,000 रुपये एक महीने की साल की किश्त बांध रहा है वो, तो 18 हो गए, है ना। इंटरेस्ट ऑन फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट, अब 18,000 का 10% 1,800, ठीक है। अब एक किश्त वो दे चुका 1,000 की, अब बकाया राशि कितनी है? 17,000 रुपये, है ना। अब इस 17,000 पर कितना आएगा? 1,700 आएगा। फिर ये 1,000 कम कर दो, अब बकाया राशि कितनी रह गई? 16,000। अब 16,000 पे 10% कितना आएगा? 1600, है ना। तो ये ब्याज उसका बनता जा रहा है। कितनी किश्त है? 18 किश्त है, तो 1,800 पहले साल, फिर 1,700, फिर 1,600, ऐसे आता जा रहा है। ए 1,800 है, डी -100 है, एस 18, यानी 18 साल लगा रहेगा बेचारा। तो वो कितना इंटरेस्ट पे कर देगा? 17,100 रुपये। और अब उसका जो स्कूटर है ना, वो उसको कितने का पड़ने वाला है? 39,100 रुपीज़। गॉट इट? तो बच्चों इस तरह से हमारे ये 4 क्वेश्चंस इस वीडियो में हमने जो लिए वो समाप्त होते हैं। मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन जय हिंद।